Well guys, this is it. We're gonna practice the handstand and we're gonna see in like a few weeks if we improved our handstand or if we haven't improved our handstand. Let me show you what we're working with. First we are looking at my handstand from front and from the side. Let me see. Oh. Okay, that's pretty bad, but at the beginning that's about my hands in front. Now from the side.
Oh. Oh.
That's what we're working with. Guys, let's see the improvement. Try to get a perfect handstand like this.
So this is my version of the handstand.
Great work.
Easy.
Okay, that was great.
Oh, oh.
How do you feel by this amazing fail? Woo! It's been now 1 week. We are on the third week.
I mean, I did some afterwards.
Oh, you did in the week? Okay.
It's like the first one since 3 or 4 days.
Okay, first one since 3 or 4 days. Welcome back. This is Mr. JV. We're doing a challenge with Dumpy Longer. This is week 3. So 1 week to go, and then we have to see. We have to get the handstand on the maximum level. Okay. He tried, but oh, did you hurt yourself?
Yeah, man.
Oh, she hurt herself. Yo, interview. Come closer. Yeah. What? Not too close.
Yeah.
What happened? Tell
Right.
us.
You know what? Thanks, man. I got up, man.
Yeah.
And I felt that I would fall, but I really didn't want to fall, you know?
Yeah. We know
so
that
I just
feeling.
didn't accept it,
Yep.
and I fell on my back. And it
But
hurt.
where's the pain?
In my head.
In your head? It's a mental
head.
pain.
I need a break, man.
Let's go. Longest handstand wins. Oh. Whoa.
Nice.
Nice. Man down. My shoulder. Oh.
What the?
Oh. It's the wind, man. I told you. Oh, week 4, nigga, week 4. Let's go, let's go. Mr. Guacamole in the house. Look at this. Look at the view. Yeah.
It was a tough 1 month, but in the end, you know, you put your work in and you put your work in and yeah, that's it. Yeah.
He did it. The fear went away, right? At the beginning, there was a fear of like really going for it, and like JB also said last time, once he fell down, he had this fear again, the fear of like not going 100%.